Here's my issue with this. This is not a story, right? Storytelling was one of the things that was brought up early on, that presentation is about storytelling. Story structure is one of the ways in which I talk about it. There is no story structure here. What this is a checklist of how the sausage gets made. We need to know who's assigned to the project. That's the list of creatives that we want to introduce in the meeting. We need to know what we're going to go through, so we better put a table of contents in there. We had to struggle to find the insight, so that's listed. We're going to do the strategy, yes. The brief may show up, okay. But there's no story here. In my mind, this is a lot like if you had to buy a car and you showed up to the dealership and they had all the individual parts spread out in the parking lot. There's a tire, there's an engine, there's a rearview mirror. Don't you think this car is going to be beautiful when it's assembled? I don't know, man, maybe. I'm not a mechanic. I'm like trying to see it. But if you tell me, look at this car, it goes 0 to 60, and if I just tighten the bolts, you can take her off the lot right now. Okay, now I know what we're talking about. And that's the difference between trying to tell this in a meeting to your client and giving them an actual story.